Ahead of the opening leg of the Champions League quarter-finals, few explosions went off next to the Borussia Dortmund team bus. As speculation grew around what exactly happened, football fans everywhere began getting updates on their phones. Whilst fans across the world waited for more information, the first video clips within the stadium started to emerge, showing Monaco fans chanting Dortmund in unison. Once again, we were reminded of the power of the beautiful game. Shortly after, it was announced the game was to be postponed and played the next day. And immediately after, Borussia Dortmund started a hashtag on Twitter, Bed for Away Fans. An initiative that allowed supporters of Dortmund to offer up their home for Monaco supporters who needed somewhere to stay that night.
One Dortmund fan come to us to talk about the match and the condition, and he asked us about if we have a place to stay in Dortmund. And at this moment, we say no, we don't have place, and he said you can come at my place.
The move was embraced by both Dortmund and Monaco fans alike. As images started appearing on the internet, an awful situation had a somewhat silver lining. With the match replayed instead the next day, fans of both sides displayed further unity, marching together to the stadium. Along the way, they sung You'll Never Walk Alone, and in the ground, supporters continued to sing together. And what nearly became a tragedy may have birthed a friendship. Football continues to show a seemingly endless capacity to bring people together. Clubs across the world immediately reached out with get-well messages for Dortmund player Marc Bartra, who was injured in the blast. If horrific acts like the one on the Dortmund bus aim to teach us fear, football has proven that it can teach us to love and build bonds inspired by the collective joy that this game brings us.